Good day, and thank you for the opportunity. I appreciate the invitation to discuss SQL, machine leverage relational database management to drive impactful data analysis and strategic decision making. I will explain what key SQL is to something that is very common. When communicating with non-technical stakeholders, I describe SQL that is structured query language as the definitive bridge between human curiosity and digital storage. Just as we use spoken language to exchange ideas, SQL is the specialized language used to interrogate the database and extract meaningful truth from it. To visualize this, imagine an immense global library as hundreds of millions of unorganized documents added to manually kits a specific record could be an impossible task. SQL acts as an elite, instantaneous research assistant. It allows us to articulate precise ethical criteria such as retrieving every document in a specific order within a precise time frame and possibly those exact records in milliseconds. SQL is far more than a technical utility. It is a foundational analytical tool. It empowers organizations to transform overwhelming volumes of raw, chaotic data into structured, actionable intelligence that resolves complex business challenges. What are the different types of keys in SQL and when do we use them? Database architecture relies entirely on relational integrity, and keys are the fundamental enforcement mechanism that guarantees data remains distinct and accurate. For example, the primary key is a colon or a set of colons that enforces absolute uniqueness for every single row in the table. For instance, a student ID ensures that no two individuals are conflicted. I implemented primary keys as a mandatory baseline to anchor identity within a dataset. The foreign keys establishes and enforces logical relationship between two tables. By placing the student ID within an enrollment table, it points directly back to the master's student record. I utilize foreign keys to preserve referential integrity, ensuring my data ecosystem remains tightly interconnected within orphan records. Candidate key. This represents any column or combination of columns that possesses the qualifying attribute to becoming primary keys due to inherent uniqueness. The composite keys. When a single attribute is insufficient to guarantee uniqueness, I construct a composite key by binding two or more columns together, such as combining order ID and product ID to immediately identify a specific client ID. Unique. This constraint guarantees that all values in the column are distinct, such as an email address or national identifier, while peacefully permitting non-value, offering flexibility where a strict primary key is requirement. With these keys, it deliberately prevents data corruptions and ensure our analytical models are built on a solid foundation. Third one, we list all the join keys in SQL and use keys for each of them. SQL joins are a mechanism by which we switch SQL data tables back together to form a comprehensive narrative. Choosing the correct join dictates both the accuracy of the result and the efficiency of the query performance. Example, some of the keys are linear join. This returns exclusively the records that finds a perfect match in both tables. I use this when business questions require strict intersections. For example, listing only customers who have completed an active purchase. The left outer join key. This preserves every single row from our primary left table, appending matching data from if a variable where it exists and even ignore where it does not. This is my preferred approach when I need an exhaustive inventory, such as auditing all active sales representatives, regardless of whether they close to the game this quarter. One of the things we actively or the best left in my job is done is through one of the assignment that I wrote very dark. The ladies of the inner job, ladies of the left outer job. Likewise as well to the ladies of the right outer job. This operates identical to the left job, but reverses the structural priority to the right hand job. The full outer job. This aggregates complete footprints of both tables, allowing matches where possible and get matching those for myself. I deploy this doing deep system reconciliations or data manipulations to identify data gaps across the systems. The cross join. The cross join this generates a Cartesian product pairing every single row of the first table to every single row of the second. While intensive, it is highly efficient or effective for population modeling or generating exhaustive permutations like matching up product colors to all available sizes. A set join. This occurs when table with references itself. It is indispensable when processing educative or hierarchical data models such as mapping and organization charts. When an employee the supervisor is simply another employee in the table. What is the importance of data integrity in your work with your skill? Data integrity is the absolute cornerstone of my practice because the ultimate value of any modern business strategy is directly bottom up by the quality of its data. If data integrity fails, the downstream consequences are severe. The plot deceive, predictive model skill, leadership risk, executing high stakes decisions based on flawed premises. In my workflow, data integrity is not a check based item. It is a professional responsibility. I actively design schemas using strict entity, domain, and official constraints to guarantee that data remains uncorrupted throughout its entire life cycle. High data integrity cultivates institutional trust. When stakeholders look at a dashboard or a financial report and know the underlying architecture is flawless, they can act with absolute conviction. Protecting that integrity is how data practitioners directly safeguard an organization's success. With this, let me just say thank you once again for your time. I welcome the opportunity to dive down into any of this concept for demonstration, or to demonstrate these methodologies